Hi, I'm Judy from the Crafty in Me. In today's tutorial in the Be Happy Crafts channel, I will show you how to make your very own pop-up book. Pop-up books are interactive creations where elements literally pop off the page, adding dimension and storytelling magic. So what exactly is a pop-up? It is a paper engineering technique where parts of the page fold, lift, or spring up when you open a book. To start, you'll want to conceptualize your layout or storyline. Sketch it out in a notebook. This helps you plan what elements you want to pop up and how they'll interact across pages. For this project, I'll be using the Be Happy Bristol board, Be Happy chipboard, mint type paper cardstocks. I'm going to mix collections to represent phases of my creative journey, but you can opt to use at least one of the collections you have. I'm also going to use the Be Happy faux leather sheets, scribe ship variant. Then I printed some ephemeras using my Epson L121 and then do a fussy cut. This will be the elements of my pop-up pages. You can adjust the materials depending on what you have, but these are my go-to supplies. Now let's cut our Bristol board slightly shorter than the height of our chipboard. Fold it in half and this becomes the pages of my album. Next, we cut our mint type paper cardstocks to match, but about 1 centimeter smaller so it layers neatly. Now let's create the pop-up mechanism where we will glue our pop-up elements. We will cut a piece of cardstock, score it in half, then add a half-inch flap at the bottom. Fold along the crease and trim the bottom at an angle so it won't overlap when glued. Now attach one side of the flap near the crease of the page base. Then glue the other side. Fold the page shut, and voila! You now have a pop-up base ready for your elements. Now you can glue your ephemeras or cutouts onto your pop-up base. You can add multiple bases on one page for a more complex look. For extra storytelling, you can insert inner pop-up pages that open like mini surprises within your book. For our book cover, I just glued in the Be Happy chipboard to the faux leather scrap sheet using double-sided tape and Aline's tacky glue. Then afterwards, I just attached the completed pop-up pages inside. For the cover page, I used die-cut elements and hand-lettered the title of my book using We Are Memory Keeper foil quill over faux leather. This adds a polished, personal touch for my pop-up book. Here's a quick flip through of my finished pop-up book. Majority of my pages uses only the V-fold pop-up technique, while the last 3 pages uses the parallelogram technique, which we will cover in a future tutorial. This pop-up book is all about my creative journey, which actually started when I was a child until now. It was actually fun building each page as it helped me reminisce how arts and crafts influenced my life. Thank you for watching this tutorial at the Be Happy Crafts channel. I hope you're inspired to start your own pop-up project as well. Until next time, be crafty, be happy!